In this video we are going to talk about FCC unit cell. So in one face-centered cubic unit cell we have 4 atoms. Let's start by counting them. You have 4. These 4 gives us half an atom, and the 4 under gives us another half, so we have 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4. So these 4 gives us, these 8 give us 1 atom, and these 2 another, so 2, 3, and 4. Now in this model we have the lattice parameter 1 millimeter in each side, so the cube has 1 millimeter for each side, so the volume is 1 cubic millimeters. This is of course much larger than a real atomic lattice, but for this visualization the size doesn't matter, but the geometry does. So, and if you look at the volume for all of the atoms here, there is the volume is 0.74. So if you divide this, the volume for the atoms and the volume for the cube, we get the atomic packing factor, which is 74%. This means that about 74% of the unit cell volume is occupied by atoms, and the remaining 26% is empty. This high packing efficiency is one reason why FCC is considered as a close-packed crystal structure. But for slip systems we are not interested in how much volume is occupied. We are more interested in which planes and which directions are most closely packed. But before I show you the 12 slip systems, first I will show you just a couple of examples to just illustrate what I mean by closely packed. So this plane is the 111 plane, and if you look at this, this is the planar density for this 111 plane. If you look at the area occupied by these atoms, this is 0.79 millimeters 2, and this triangular space here has the area of 0.87. So if you divide the atoms by the whole area, you get 91% planar density. And if you just look at another example, just to show you this is this 91% 111 plane is the highest density, planar density. I will show you this. Just imagine this plane now, the 010 plane. Look at the area here, 0.79 again, but the area for this square is 1 times 1. So if you divide the 0.79 by 1, you get 79%. So less than 91%. And if you look at another example, let's say this plane you see here, 110 plane. If you look at this, this area should be 1.41, and the area for these atoms here are 0.79. So this divided by the whole area gives us 56%. So this is in fact not a close packed plane with the highest density, planar density. So now I'm going to talk about the 111 family of planes. A family of planes means a group of planes that have the same geometric type but different orientations because of the symmetry of the crystal. Okay, so if we start by the 111 plane, imagine that you have your coordinate system here. It intersects the x when it's 1, y when it's 1, z when it's 1. So this is the 111 plane, and the direction is it goes minus x, 0, y and 1. So minus 1, 0, 1. Or 1 if you do the opposite. 1 in the x direction, 1, 0, minus 1. This direction is if you go this way, you go 0 in the x, minus in y direction, and 1 in the plus x, plus z. So 0, minus 1, 1. Or in the opposite direction, 0, 1, minus 1. And this is, if you go this way, you go minus 1, 1, 0, or the opposite way, 1, minus 1, 0. Let's look at the next plane in the family table, which is this one. Now this plane goes through the origin here, so just imagine the origin being this, and you see the plane is 1 minus, the plane is 1 minus 1, 1. How do we see that? The axes are still in the same direction. X goes this way, y goes this way, and z goes this way. So it hits the x-axis, 1 minus 1 in the y and 1 in the z-axis. And the directions I'm just going to show you. For example, this direction, if you go this way, you go 1, 1, 0. And the other directions, you can do it by yourself. This plane is the other plane now, goes through the origin, so imagine changing the origin, but the orientation should be the same, x, y and z, and the plane hits the x in 1, y in 1 and z in minus 1. So this is 1, 1, minus 1 plane, and the orientations are, let's say, only this orientation. This is minus 1, 1, 0. Minus 1, 1, 0. Yeah. Let's move to the next and the last plane, the fourth plane. You see here, it goes through the origin, move the origin here, x, y, and z. This hits the x in the -1, y in +1, and z in +1. So it's -1, 1, 1 plane. And the orientation, let's say this orientation, for example, this is, if you imagine this origin doesn't move in the z direction, goes it moves in the z direction, -1, and a +1 in y direction, so 0, 1, -1. And the other directions can be seen in the table. We have now reviewed all 4 unique 111 slip planes and the 3 110 slip directions in each plane. Together, these give us 12 slip systems of the FCC crystal structure. Now remember, this is where slip usually happens, along the close packed directions and on the planes, the close packed planes.